Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to understand what are the critical points and how to find them. A point x is equal to c is a critical point of f of x if f prime of c is equal to 0 or f prime of c does not exist. Means derivative of f at c is equal to 0 or derivative of f at c does not exist, and c is in the domain of f. C belongs to domain of f. Now let us understand how to find the critical points algebraically. Let us take the function f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 2. So to find the critical point, first let us find the derivative of f. So f dash of x would be equal to derivative of x cube would be 3x square using the power rule minus 3 will stay as it is, and derivative of x square would be 2x. So 3 times 2x would be 6x, and derivative of constant 2 will be 0, so no need to write it. Now let us set the derivative is equal to 0. Now from 3x square minus 6x we can factor out 3x. So in the parenthesis we will have x minus 2 which is equal to 0. By solving this equation we will get x is equal to 0 and or x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 0, we will have critical point at x is equal to 0 or and x is equal to 2. Now let us find the y coordinate of this critical point. We already find out the x coordinate. Now by substituting this value in the function f, we will find the y coordinate. So f of 0 will be equal to 0 cube minus 3 into 0 square plus 2 is equal to 2. So our first critical point will be 0, 2. And let us substitute x is equal to 2. So f of 2 will be equal to 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square plus 2, which is equal to 8 minus 12 plus 2. So this is equal to 8 minus 12 is minus 4 plus 2 will be equal to minus 2. So our second critical point will be equal to 2 minus 2. So this way we can find the critical points algebraically. Now let us understand it by a graph. So this is the graph of our function x cube minus 3x square plus 2. Here you can see that at x is equal to 0, the y value is 2. So this point is 0, 2, which is our critical point, and at x is equal to positive 2, the y value is negative 2. So this point is our another critical point, 2, minus 2. Hope this will help you to understand how to find the critical points algebraically and how to see them graphically.